Energy healing is a holistic exercise that stimulates the body's complex energy systems to remove blocks. By breaking into these forceful blocks, the body's natural ability to recover itself is stimulated. That explanation is a lot to process, so here are 5 facts that can clarify any confusion or misunderstandings you may still have about energy healing. 1. Cultures have studied the body's energy centers for thousands of years. Reiki is the Japanese tradition of energy healing, and it begins to the early 20th century. Chakras, the 7 energy overdrive centers of the body, are defined in ancient Hindu texts. Meridians, the energy pathways of the body, are how traditional Chinese medication practitioners based acupuncture. Although several ancient cultures practiced different modalities to excite the body's natural ability to heal, they all saw internal energy as powerful energy of virtue. 2. Energy healing is based on scientific principles. We all heard in high school physics class that object is made up of molecules. Also, something tangible, such as a table, is vibrating all the time. As humans, we too are vibrating. When you assume someone has good vibes, you are really talking about that person's wave of energy. Happy people wave on a higher frequency. You can feel their enthusiasm. Places have vibes too. When you walk into a situation in which a fight has just happened, you may feel dull energy that makes you want to go right away. The beach has a light vibe because of the salt, a natural energy cleanser, and moving air. These air at the beach waves at a higher frequency as well. 3. You don't have to be spiritual to benefit from energy healing. As you don't need to understand the law of gravity before you can fall over. You don't need to thoroughly understand the concept of energy healing before you start into the practice. I would suggest start in with an open mind for the significant benefit. Whenever you to visit an energy healer. If you are stressed, anxious, or physically drained, an energy healing session can support you to relax and feel more stable. And if you're already feeling stable, it's always possible to feel a little better. It's essential to note that energy healing is complementary, that shouldn't put aside any medicine you may be taking. 4. Energy healing is totally accessible. There are various types of energy healers, and you can find them almost everywhere. There are Reiki practitioners all over the world, and the beauty of Reiki healing is that it can be delivered and received even if the patient and practitioner aren't in the same room. Why? Because the power of purpose causes energy to flow to where it's most needed. This way to stimulates the movement of Kai to rebalance the body. Reflexology is another modality that opens up blocked energy and improves healing by stimulating the meridians, organs, and systems through points on the feet, hands, and ears. Even massage is an energy healing practice, for it releases pressure in the muscles, stimulates the flow of lymph, and supports for deep relaxation. Starting with a brief 30-minute Reiki sitting can give you a feeling of how powerful energy healing can be. 5. You can maintain your energetic health at home. Just as you shower and brush your teeth every day, energetic cleansing is also a daily commitment. Once you visit with an energy healer, keep the good vibes circulating by taking a bath in Epsom or pink Himalayan salts for 20 minutes. Whenever you start to feel the pressure creeping back into your body, light up a candle or smudging around you also removes negativity from your aura. High vibe crystals have their own healing resources and can help give your energy range a boost. All you need to raise your energy healing experience is curiosity and an enthusiasm to learn. Who knows? You might just get addicted. Check the link below to find more.